create a virtual machine, select the iOS image, checkpoint R77.30, and next choose the Linux version 564-bit. Next type the virtual machine name cp-fw and save the location of this whole data. Select the folder of storage. Next define the storage of hard drive space in checkpoint 50 GB. Store a single disk. Customize hardware. I give the 2 GB RAM of you can enter 2048, that is the correct, and select the LAN card, and you can choose another LAN card for ISP. Finish, close, finish, and power on machine. Wait for installation. Install the Gaia on this system. Enter. And wait for installation process. This is the loading of storage driver. And start of the installation. Do you wish to proceed with the installation? Yes. Okay. Choose the keyboard type is attached to this computer US, and okay. You can enter the password, login password, admin@123, and choose the LAN 0. It means this is the work for internal, and you can choose according to you, because you can choose the 0 for internal, that is the LAN IP, and you can choose the Ethernet 1 for ISP. So you can choose 0 for internal. I give the IP of checkpoint access. I have entered 10.1, and net mask is /24, and do not required of default gateway. Okay, and okay. This is the start proper installation, so this will take more time, so I have stopped the video. You can check the installation of Checkpoint software blade. Actually, Checkpoint count the license in software blade. So I have basically this is the showing for software related installation. And now installation is complete, so required of reboot and enter for rebooting the Checkpoint. Finally, now we are getting the login prompt of Checkpoint. This system is for authorized use only. Login. So I have entered the username admin and password admin at the rate 123, and in order to configure your system, please access the web UI and finish the first time configuration wizard. Basically, you can choose the two mode of first time configuration wizard. One is CLI and second is from the browser. Okay, so now we are set the host name, so you can enter set host space name f w dash 1. So this is my host name and save the config, enter, and we are check the interface IP address. So interface ETH0, and now we are getting the IP address IP version 4 address 192.168.10.1/24. Okay, so you can access the checkpoint firewall in browser from this IP address. Okay, we are check ncpa.cpl for the VM adapter access. Basically this is the another troubleshooting, not a part of VM. So I can check the add of 10 IP address. Okay, 10.1, and I have entered the IP address for access in browser. https://192.168.10.1. Okay, we are getting the login, admin password, admin add 123, enter. This is the take for some time because RAM is low. So first time configuration wizard. Welcome to the checkpoint first time configuration wizard. You are just a few steps away from using your new system. Click next to configure your system. So this is the VM platform. Next, continue with Gaia R77.30 configuration. Basically this is the firmware. Okay, R77 OS version. This is the interface 0. This is LAN interface. IP address is same 10.1, and next, and you can set the interface IP address of ISP. You can choose manually, otherwise off. Next, this is the host name, and next, set the time manually. Basically this is the most option of security gateway or security management. Basically checkpoint provide the two type of installation. One is standalone and second is distributed installations. In the standalone you can install management and gateway on single device, so you can choose security gateway and management both, and otherwise you can choose distribution option, so you can choose according to your product. If you are install the security gateway, so you can choose security gateway, otherwise management. So I want to install standalone installations, so I have choose both option, and enter the administrator name, login ID, admin, You can access any IP address. Your device will be configured with the following: product security gateway, security management, primary security management, and finish. So this is the start of the first time configuration process. Verify configuration, security gateway, security management, and compatibility package, and finalize configuration. So I have paused the video because